ladies, you don't want to miss this video because I'm going to show you how to cover your bald spot with this product. It does a good job at covering up your bald spot. Keep on watching.
Welcome to the Living Irving channel. Welcome to the Living Irving channel.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to Living Irving. It's your girl Tanya. In today's video, I will be doing an updated video hair bun on my traction alopecia on how to cover your bald spot. We're going to go ahead and hop on into the video. Okay, so my first step to my high bun is to position my edges for my baby hairs. I have to be very strategic in this step right here because as you can see, my hairline is extremely thin and there are a lot of bald spots there. So I just take a little bit of my baby hairs to put down because I need the rest to go up into the updo. So now I'm going in with my favorite, the Shine and Jam conditioning gel. It's the extra hold that I'm using. I love this product. It gives me the hold that I need, and it also gives me moisture in my hair and such a great shine. I love using this product. So my hair is a little dry and I was not able to comb through my hair because I don't like doing updos when my hair is wet, and normally I would spray my natural hair with water to get it moisturized, but because my hair is so thin, I cannot do this step. Otherwise, you'll see a lot more gaps and it'll just look, I don't know, not so good to me. So now I'm just going ahead and brushing up the hairs into place to place my ponytail bun, and as you can see there are some lumps there, so I just had to kind of tap those out. So once I get everything positioned to my liking, then I'll go ahead and take my rubber band and place my hair into a ponytail. Now I am not pulling tight on my hair at all. It may look that way, but it's not that tight. And again, this is just a demonstration. I do not wear my hair in updos. I'm aware I have traction alopecia, so I do take very good care of my edges. And matter of fact, my edges have come back. I will do another video letting you guys know what I've been doing to get my edges to fill back in. So yes, I'm going ahead and doing my baby hairs. I'm new with the baby hairs, guys, so bear with me. Also, I'm a half a century and I can't be looking crazy out here, so I have to keep the baby hairs really subtle to my liking. So everything's looking pretty good. Just fixing the other side just so the baby hairs will somewhat match. And then I'm going in with my favorite product, the Kiss Quick Cover Root Touch-Up Stick. This is the dark brown, and this is not a lipstick. As you can see, it's really tacky. It doesn't drip or run or anything like that. It adheres to the scalp very well. Now my first step, I do take a little bit of hairspray. I did spray that. Sorry I missed out on that step, but I take just slightly a little bit of hairspray and spray on my scalp before starting this process. So what you can see is me doing lines. Like you want to do hair like lines and not like, how can I say, just take a whole bunch and put a bunch of product on at a time. And then you want to take your finger or a very soft baby brush or something like that and gently blend out and just build as you go. And as you can see, it's filling in well and it's looking quite natural right now already. So just repeat the same step on the other side and just tap it out and blend. Like you can take a brush, but I find that my finger does the best for me. So you can see a line of demarcation there. That's fine. I have changed up my method, not going so far towards the hairline where the baby hairs are, and you'll see shortly why I am doing it this way. If you watch my other videos, I will link above one of my first videos that did really well, and you'll see the difference in the two techniques before and now. So yeah, just blend, blend, blend. Blending is the key to this look. You have to blend it out, but you can see how natural. I have edges now, like the bald spot is covered. So yeah, I'm just showing you right now how it looks. You can see a line of demarcation. Now we're going to go ahead and put our ponytail on, and you're just going to take a rubber band in the center of a pack of hair and just tie it onto your bun lightly. And then once you tie the rubber band down, then you're just going to twist the bun around your little small bun to your liking. So I'm doing kind of a little messy, not so perfect bun. I just don't feel like doing it so perfect. I like it a little bit off, if that makes sense, so it doesn't look so precise, like I tried to perfect it to a T. And plus this is just like really quick and out the door for me. It's hot down here now, and so I want to wear my hair up today as I run errands. So yeah, I went ahead and twisted the rest. You can totally wear this down if you'd like. I'm doing a full bun, so I wanted the rest of the bun to have like a little twist vibe in it as I wrap it around. Then once you wrap it and secure it, take some bobby pins and secure it in place, and just secure it to where you're comfortable with it. You can totally add some hair jewels in this. I did not do hair jewels with this particular video, but I will link above some other videos where I like to add hair jewels in my hair. So yeah, that's how I got it right now. So I went ahead and took some Got to Be Glued and sprayed it on my hair for any flyaways. But this is the key right here. Spraying the hairspray locks down this product to where it won't transfer. It acts like a primer that we use on our makeup, and you'll see shortly. I get so many questions asking me, does this run? Like if I go outside and I start sweating, is it going to run down my face? Yes, if you don't cover your hair with this at night, it can get on your pillowcase, and it can get removed if you sleep with your hair wrapped up at night. So yes, I'm taking it off, and the reason why I put the scarf on is because it molds down the product with the hairspray, and it just locks it in. It's not going to transfer all day. So this just gives you that extra added protection. Also, keep your stick in your purse just in case you have to touch up somewhere. What I'm doing is taking my brush and I'm just getting rid of that harsh line of demarcation now. So that's why I told you don't worry about it. You go ahead and then you fix your edge line at the last part right here, and you just get it to your liking. You may have to blend a little bit with your finger. I'm satisfied. This is how it's turned out so far. I think it turned out really good. If you saw the before earlier in the video, how that bald spot was looking, it was pretty bad, but look at how natural this product is. Look at it, it's not transferring. I'm showing you, I'm rubbing my finger pretty hard and it's not transferring. So that Got to Be Glued locked it down. So you're good to go, honey, with this hairstyle. So let me know what you think in the comments. See you in the next video. Bye.